from much politics, and let's get into recently. There was these photos that appeared online where you went to with His Excellency Mr. PeterObi to see Femi Kuti.
Kuti, yeah.
Yeah. So when you went to see Femi Kuti there, it's no one knew. It's just like what they say in Igbo. We didn't hear when it was, when the palm front was caught. The only thing the people heard was the downfall, the beam on the floor. So what actually transpired there, and how did you get involved in visiting Femi with His Excellency there?
Simple. Peter is somebody I used to know. Not that we used to drink tea every morning. I knew him from a distance. He played an active role when I lost my mother. And so he, out of the blues, calls me up and had asked me, have I seen the latest that was in the social media? And I said no. He now told me what's happening. And long story short, do you know Femi Kuti? I said, yes, it's somebody I know. He said, I would like to meet him. My heart softened when he said that to me over the phone. I said, really? You want to meet Femi? He said, yes, why not? That he's coming back at a certain date, so we can just go straight to his house, about 10, 15 minutes stuff, and he's out of there, but he would like to meet him. So I now called Femi. I said, this is what's going on. Peter would like to meet you. And he said, oh, why not? But I don't want to talk about that right to Femi's place, though, because it was in another state. And when we got there, how the two bonded was just something that really fascinated me, because this was a man who was telling me he had other appointments that, okay, we'll stay 10, 15 minutes. Mazi, we stayed there for over 3 hours. And Femi is not that easy to deal with. But that day I saw him like a little kid in a sweet shop. And the same with Obi. They were laughing and, having fun and still talking about Nigeria and the young people. So for me, I did, like I said, as a father, I've done my own bit. There was no ceremony about that. They two met and they two clicked.
Wow. Now, what does that tell you about the character of the man in question? Many have said that, Peter is infectious, that you cannot come to him and remain
and
the
that
same.
Is why, that is, see.
So he has also infected you.
Like minds, it takes one to know one.
Exactly.
Yeah. And when I say I've fallen in love, and that's because I see a lot of the CharlyBoy character in him also. Humble, charming. You can say what you like about the brand CharlyBoy, but wait till you meet him. Your impression, your ideas will just melt. I've never seen anybody that has met CharlyBoy and had not fallen in love with him.
You can't meet the area other and remain the same. It's like
Abi, Dr. Mo, am I lying?
La 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 la.